This is my review of the Novete handheld vacuum cleaner. Although the brand is not well known, I gave this model a try. Here is what I found. The package contains the unit itself, a charging station and the standard set of accessories. There's not much to say about the manual, except the fact that it's written in a good English. The extra filter gets extra points from me. The unit comes with a bit of juice in it. However, I recommend you to charge it completely before the first use. There are 3 attachments which can be used to enhance the cleaning ability: a rubber nozzle, a crevice tool and a brush. The vacuum performs admirably with all types of debris, starting with the big Cheerios and ending with the fine corn flour. Notice that I'm using alternatively some of the attachments in order to maximize the cleaning efficiency. Emptying the bin is simple, however, I recommend you do this outside for the first time. It takes a bit to get used with the system. Last but not least, here's Novete handling a few drops of water. It can do the same for wine, juice or any other liquid which needs to be swiftly removed from the surface. Thanks for watching. Visit my blog for more stuff on handheld vacuums.